Today, we are talking about a full walkthrough of Beacons, one of the most popular creator tools for building a link in bio page, selling digital products, managing followers, and growing an online audience. Many creators, freelancers, coaches, and small business owners are now using Beacons because it combines many tools in one dashboard. Instead of using separate tools for email marketing, digital products, and link pages, Beacons puts everything together. It also includes AI powered features, analytics, media kits, and automation tools that help creators to save time. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get these special offers on Beacons, because by using the description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is creating your Beacons account. After signing up, you will enter your main dashboard. The dashboard is beginner friendly and clean, so even new users can understand it easily. From here, you can start building your personal page. The most important feature in Beacons is the link in bio page. This is the page you can connect to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or other social platforms. Instead of sharing many links separately, you can place everything in one page. Inside the editor, you can add buttons, videos, social links, product links, email forms, and even donation options. You can also change the colors, fonts, and layouts to match your personal brand. The drag and drop editor makes customization very simple. Another powerful feature is digital product selling. Beacons allows creators to sell ebooks, templates, courses, guides, and other downloadable products directly from the platform. You don't need a separate website for this. Customers can purchase the products directly from your page. The platform also supports memberships, appointments, and affiliate links. This is very useful for freelancers, coaches, and online educators who want multiple income streams. Now, let's talk about the AI tools. Beacons includes AI features that help the creators to save time. You can generate emails, improve your media kit, create brand pitches, and even get suggestions for your creator page. Some plans also include the AI image generation and content tools. One feature many creators like is the Media Kit Builder. Normally, creators need to manually create a portfolio for brand deals, but Beacons can automatically generate a media kit using your social media data and analytics. This makes it easier to contact brands professionally. The analytics section is also very useful. You can track clicks, sales, audience activity, and traffic sources. This helps creators understand what content is performing best. If one product or link gets more clicks, you can focus more on promoting it. Another interesting feature is email marketing. You can collect subscriber emails and send newsletters directly from Beacons. Some plans even include the automated email tools and audience targeting features. Beacons also offers a free plan, which is good for beginners. The free version includes a customizable link page, digital product selling, analytics, and basic creator tools. Paid plans unlock more advanced features like custom domains, unlimited AI tools, advanced marketing features, and lower seller fees. Overall, Beacons is a strong all-in-one platform for creators. Overall, Beacons is a strong all-in-one platform for creators who want to manage everything in one place instead of paying for many different tools. You can build your creator business from a single dashboard. That's it for today's video. Hope this full walkthrough helped you to understand how Beacons works and what features you can use to grow your creator business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe Easy Access Tech, and check the link from description for the special Beacons offer and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.